For decades, space travel was synonymous with expendable rockets. These rockets were designed for a single use, a one-way ticket to the stars. They were magnificent machines, capable of carrying humanity's dreams beyond Earth's gravity. Each launch represented a monumental achievement, a step forward in our quest to explore the cosmos. But their journey ended with a fiery plunge back into the atmosphere, or a watery grave in the ocean. The remnants of these once majestic machines were left to burn up or sink, their purpose fulfilled in a matter of minutes. Each launch was a spectacle, drawing crowds and capturing imaginations, but it was also a costly endeavor, both financially and environmentally. Imagine throwing away a jumbo jet after a single flight. The sheer wastefulness of such an approach is staggering. That's essentially what we did with rockets. Each mission required a brand new vehicle, built from scratch, only to be discarded after use. This approach was unsustainable, limiting our access to space and hindering the progress of space exploration. The high costs and inefficiencies were significant barriers to more frequent and ambitious missions. Then came SpaceX, with a vision for a different future. They dared to challenge the conventional wisdom and reimagine the possibilities of space travel. They saw beyond the limitations of expendable rockets and dared to imagine a world where space travel was more akin to air travel. A world where rockets could be reused, reducing costs and increasing accessibility. Their goal was to develop reusable rockets, capable of launching, landing, and launching again. This vision required not just technological innovation, but a complete shift in how we think about space travel. This would drastically reduce the cost of spaceflight, making it more accessible and opening up a new era of possibilities. The potential for scientific discovery, commercial ventures, and even space tourism would be greatly expanded. This was not just a technological challenge, it was a paradigm shift. It required a new way of thinking, a willingness to take risks and push boundaries. It required innovation, determination, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. SpaceX embraced this challenge head-on, investing heavily in research and development, pushing the boundaries of engineering, and relentlessly pursuing their vision of reusable rockets. SpaceX embraced this challenge head-on, investing heavily in research and development, pushing the boundaries of engineering, and relentlessly pursuing their vision of reusable rockets. Their efforts were not in vain. The successful landings of the Falcon 9 rockets marked a turning point in space travel, proving that reusable rockets were not just a dream, but a reality. Today, SpaceX stands as a testament to the power of innovation, having achieved what many thought impossible, making rocket reuse a reality. Their success has paved the way for a new era of space exploration, one where the stars are within reach again and again. At the heart of SpaceX's success story lies the Falcon 9 rocket, a marvel of modern engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. This two-stage launch vehicle, named after the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars, has become a workhorse for SpaceX, delivering payloads to orbit with remarkable reliability. Its design and performance have set new standards in the aerospace industry. But the Falcon 9 is not just another rocket. It's a symbol of SpaceX's commitment to reusability. This innovative approach has revolutionized the way we think about space travel and exploration. The first stage of the Falcon 9, the largest and most expensive part of the rocket, is designed to be reusable. This means that instead of being discarded after a single use, it can be recovered, refurbished, and flown again. After separating from the second stage, which carries the payload to orbit, the first stage performs a series of controlled burns and maneuvers to return to Earth. These precise operations are crucial for a successful landing. It lands either on a designated landing pad on land or on one of SpaceX's autonomous drone ships stationed in the ocean. These drone ships, whimsically named "Of Course I Still Love You" and "Just Read the Instructions," play a vital role in the recovery process. This process, which looks like something out of science fiction, has become almost routine for SpaceX. The sight of a rocket descending gracefully back to Earth is no longer a rare spectacle, but a regular occurrence. They have achieved a remarkable level of success in landing and reusing Falcon 9 first stages, demonstrating the reliability and cost-effectiveness of their approach. Each successful recovery brings SpaceX closer to their goal of making space travel more sustainable. Each successful landing is a testament to the ingenuity of SpaceX's engineers and the boldness of their vision. Their relentless pursuit of innovation has pushed the boundaries of what is possible. The Falcon 9's reusability has had a profound impact on the space industry. It has opened up new possibilities for exploration and commercial ventures, making space more accessible than ever before. It has drastically reduced the cost of launching payloads to orbit, making space more accessible for governments, businesses, and even private individuals. This cost reduction is a game changer, enabling more frequent and ambitious missions. The Falcon 9 has disrupted the traditional launch market, forcing competitors to adapt or risk being left behind. Its success has sparked a new era of innovation and competition in the aerospace industry, driving progress at an unprecedented pace. SpaceX's commitment to rapid reusability reached a new milestone in insert year, month, when they achieved an unprecedented feat, flying a Falcon 9 first-stage booster twice in less than 2 weeks. This achievement was a clear demonstration of the Falcon 9's reliability and the efficiency of SpaceX's refurbishment process. The booster in question, designated B-1060, first launched a batch of Starlink satellites into orbit on insert date of first launch. After completing its mission, it landed on a drone ship in the Atlantic Ocean. Less than 2 weeks later, on insert date of second launch, B-1060 launched again, this time carrying another payload of Starlink satellites. This rapid turnaround time between flights was a significant achievement for SpaceX. It demonstrated their ability to quickly inspect, refurbish, and prepare a Falcon 9 booster for its next mission. This capability is crucial for SpaceX's long-term goals of increasing launch cadence and reducing the cost of spaceflight. The twice in 2 weeks milestone was not just about breaking records. It was about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with reusable rockets. It was a clear signal that SpaceX is on track to achieve even more ambitious goals in the future. While the Falcon 9 has revolutionized access to Earth orbit, making space more accessible and affordable than ever before, SpaceX has its sights set on even grander goals: Mars and beyond. The vision is not just to visit these distant worlds, but to establish a sustainable human presence there. To achieve these ambitions, they are developing Starship, a fully reusable transportation system designed for interplanetary travel. Starship is envisioned to carry both crew and cargo, making it a versatile vehicle for a variety of missions. And at the heart of Starship lies Super Heavy, a massive first-stage booster that will propel Starship to orbit. This booster is a critical component, providing the necessary thrust to escape Earth's gravity. Super Heavy is unlike any rocket booster ever built. Its design and engineering push the boundaries of what is possible in rocketry. Standing at over 70 meters tall and powered by 33 Raptor engines, each engine is a marvel of engineering, designed to be both powerful and efficient. It will be the most powerful rocket ever flown. The combined thrust of these engines will generate an unprecedented amount of power, enough to lift the massive Starship into space. Its sheer size and power are necessary to lift Starship, with its crew and cargo, off the Earth and send it on its way to the Moon, Mars, or other destinations in our solar system. Like the Falcon 9, which has proven the viability of reusable rockets, Super Heavy is designed for reusability. After separating from Starship, it will not be discarded like traditional rocket stages. It will perform a controlled descent back to Earth, landing on a specially designed landing tower. This precision landing capability is a significant technological achievement. This reusability is crucial for making Starship an affordable and sustainable transportation system for interplanetary travel. By reusing the booster, SpaceX can significantly reduce the cost of each mission. The development and testing of Super Heavy is ongoing, with numerous prototypes being built and tested to ensure reliability and performance. With SpaceX making steady progress towards its first orbital flight test. Each test brings them closer to the goal of regular, reliable space travel. The success of Super Heavy is paramount to SpaceX's ambitions for Starship and the future of human space exploration. It represents a giant leap towards making humanity a multi-planetary species.